Good morning, children. Now, I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed yesterday. Now, are you ready? Can we start the next session? So, let us begin. Children, before solving the sums from exercise 3.1 textbook, I will explain the representative values. Now, children, what are representative values? Different forms of data need different forms of representative value to describe it. Clear, children? I will explain 4 different types of representative values. The first one is arithmetic mean, commonly known as average also. To find arithmetic mean, we have to divide sum of all observations by number of observations. That means arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Second one is range. Highest observation minus lowest observation. That means a range is a difference between the highest and the lowest observation. Understood, children? The third one is mode. Mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of times in a given set of data. Now, the last one is median. Value lies in the middle of the data. That means median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Now, children, you will understand how to find mean, mode, range, and median of the data when we will solve sums from exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Understood, children? Are you getting? Now, these are the 4 different representative values. Which are they? Correct. Arithmetic mean, range, median, and mode. Okay, children? Fine. Now, let us take sum number 8 of exercise 3.1. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. On Monday 0.0, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday 0.0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5, and Sunday 1.0. Now we have to give the answer of these 3 questions. The first question is find the range of the rainfall. Now, you know, children, what is to be done to find out the range? What we need? Highest observation and lowest observation. So, to find this, let us arrange the data in ascending order. 0.0, 0.0, 1.0, 2.1, 5.5, 12.2 and 20.5. So now we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now which is the highest observation? Correct, 20.5. And which is the lowest observation? 0.0. So 20.5 minus 0.0 gives us 20.5. So what is the range of the data? Correct, 20.5. The second question is find the mean rainfall. So you know that now what is to be done to find out the mean rainfall? Correct. Sum of all observations upon or divided by total number of observations. So over here, when we will add all these observations, we will get 41.3 divided by 7, we will get 5.9. So what is the mean rainfall? 5.9. And the last one is, how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Now, what is mean? 5.9. And on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, these 5 days, the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. Clear, children? I hope you have understood this clearly. Now, children, I am sure that you will be able to solve other sums of exercise 3.1. Now, I will take one sum from exercise 3.2. Sum number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players are 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. These are the runs scored by 11 player has been given over here. Now we have to find out mean, mode and median of this data. So first of all, to find out mean of the data, what we have to do, children? Correct. We have to do the sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. So if we will add all these runs, the answer is 429. And now we have to divide it by 11. So if we will divide 429 by 11, we are getting 39. Correct, children? So is it simple or not? Just you have to add all the runs scored by 11 players and then it is to be divided by 11. Correct? Now, before finding out mode and median, we have to arrange this data in either ascending or descending order. So, let us arrange it in an ascending order. When we will arrange this in ascending order, we will write like 6 first because it is the lowest score. 6, then 8, then 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. So children, all is arranged in a ascending order. Now mode. Mode means what? Come on, tell me. Mode means what? Yes, the observation which occurs maximum number of time. So how many times and which observation is coming? Yes, 15 comes for 3 times. So what is the mode of the data? 15. Perfect. Now median. What is to be done? After arranging in ascending or descending order, we have to find out the middle observation. So which is the middle observation? These are the 11. Is it or not? 11 observations are there. Correct? So leave 5 from right hand side and 5 from left hand side. So which is the middle one? Exactly. It is 15. So 15 mode and median also 15. And it is asked that are the three same? That means mean, mode and median are same. So no, it is not same. Understood, children? Clear? Next point is bar graph, which is very simple. I know everybody knows how to draw bar graph. Clear? But let me explain. Bar graph is a graphical representation of data, quantities, or numbers using bars. We draw bar graph on a graph paper. Clear? And we draw x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we mention the categories, different categories, and on y-axis we mention the quantities. Understood? We do mention the scale of the data. Understand? Clear, children? Now, bar graphs are used to compare numbers, frequencies, or other measures of distinct categories of data. Understood, children? And now, children, you know that observation with the more frequency is the mode of the data. So, the bar with the tallest height must be the mode of the data. So, children, you have understood this now. What will be the mode of the data? Just looking at the bar graph, the bar which is the tallest one is the mode of the data. That observation occurs maximum number of times. Understood, children? Okay. Now, children, before drawing a bar graph, it is very important to choose the scale. How to choose a scale? Now, students, we know that a bar graph is a representation of numbers using bars of uniform width, and the length of the bars depend upon the frequency and the scale we choose. Now, it is very important to choose the scale according to the given data, as the length of the bar depends upon the scale we choose. Here, children, a survey has been done about a nice fruit, and it is represented in the given bar graph. So, children, let us understand this. In this graph, you can see that different types of fruits are represented on x-axis, and number of people who like a particular fruit is represented on y-axis. Clear, children? Now you have seen this. Now here the lowest number is 5 and the highest number is 40. So we can take the scale of 5, that is 1 unit is equal to 5 people. Now children, over here on y-axis you can see that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. And what is represented on x-axis? Correct. The different types of fruits. So from this graph you can easily understand, read and answer the questions like 35 people like apple or 40 people like blueberry, bananas are liked by 10 people, kiwi liked by 25 people. So children, isn't it very simple? Correct? It is very simple, very easy to read, understand and answer the questions. Clear, children? I hope you have understood it very properly.